The under discussion organ system is respiratory system. Up till now we have studied the components as well as the air path while breathing. Furthermore, we also studied about the respiration process and that is the process of energy production. We studied the steps involved in the process of respiration. In our lecture 7, we are going to study to make a comparison between breathing as well as burning process. Here, the word breathing means energy production, or in scientific terms, you can say the breathing means respiration. Which is a process to produce energy, and burning means combustion. Combustion is a process which produces heat energy when it finds fuel, suitable temperature and oxygen. Combustion actually takes place, it makes a triangle when it finds oxygen, fuel, that may be wood, that may be petrol, that may be diesel, it may be wood, anything that may act as a fuel, and temperature. It is a fire triangle, also known as fire triangle, that tells us the relationship between the components involved in the process of combustion. Combustion, in simplified terms, is known as burning. So we make a comparison between the two processes, respiration as well as combustion, and see when both processes produce energy, then what is the difference between the two. And the corresponding SLO is differentiate between breathing and burning process. Here I explain again that breathing means respiration and burning means combustion. You have studied in detail the process of respiration, and the burning is a simple process which you observe daily, many times a day in your everyday life. And the textbook which will support us in this regard, just open your topics 1.7 on your chapter 1 of CSS Cantab Science. The topic 1.7 shows us the difference between breathing and burning process. Here, keep it in mind that breathing means respiration and burning means combustion. So the first difference between the two processes is the breathing is a part of human respiratory system and the respiration occurs at cellular level. You know that breathing, respiration takes place inside the body. First of all, through the process of breathing, oxygen is taken in and then which is utilized by the process of respiration to produce energy. Whereas during the process of burning, which takes place in the atmosphere, open atmosphere, as you can see here in the picture, that whenever there is fire, it is open atmosphere. Open atmosphere means outside of the body. So it was the first difference between the two. The other is breathing or respiration process takes place by passing through several steps, whereas the burning process takes place only single step. What are the steps involved in process of breathing? Have a look in this diagram. The first process is that first step is air enters into mouth or nose. Where the process of cleaning and the temperature balancing takes place. The second step is air moves down to pharynx and epiglottis. Air passes through pharynx and epiglottis. The third step is air further goes down through larynx, step number 4 is air enters into bronchus, which are the inlet to the lungs. Here in the lungs, step 5 takes place when the air reaches at smaller units called alveoli. Look at the picture too. When the air reaches in alveoli, the gaseous exchange takes place. And when the gaseous exchange takes place, the blood vessels that are surrounding the alveoli carry the oxygen present in the air and transfer the air to each cell of the body, where respiration process takes place. And in number 6 step, air is supplied to cell where energy production process, that is respiration, takes place. So these are all steps involved in the process of respiration or breathing. Whereas the burning process is single step process. We discussed earlier in fire triangle that burning only need oxygen, fuel and temperature. इन तीनों में से कोई एक भी एलिमेंट अगर मिसिंग होगा तो बर्निंग प्रोसेस नहीं होगा. अगर फ्यूल हो, हाई टेम्परेचर हो, लेकिन ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट ना हो तो भी फायर प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी. अगर ऑक्सीजन और फ्यूल प्रेजेंट है एनवायरनमेंट में, जैसा कि आमतौर पे हमारे पास लकड़ी भी है होती है, हवा में ऑक्सीजन भी है, लेकिन उस ऑक्सीजन और लकड़ी को सूटेबल टेम्परेचर नहीं मिल रहा इग्निशन के लिए, तो फायर प्रोड्यूस या बर्निंग प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी. और अगर टेम्परेचर भी हाई है, ऑक्सीजन भी एनवायरनमेंट में प्रेजेंट है, लेकिन कोई फ्यूल ही नहीं है जो कि बर्न हो सके, तो भी फायर प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी. सो व्हेन एवर दीज 3 एलिमेंट्स कंबाइन टुगेदर, ओनली देन फायर प्रोड्यूसेस, ओनली देन बर्निंग प्रोसेस, ओनली देन कंबस्टन प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस. अदरवाइज इट नेवर हैपन्स. सो इट इज अ सिंगल स्टेप प्रोसेस. Whenever these combine, ultimately that results in fire or burning. The other difference between the two processes is respiration is a slow process, relatively slow process, whereas burning is a fast process. Because the reason is respiration takes place through several steps. It involves several steps that we have gone through, so it takes time. Whereas burning is a rapid process because it is a single step process. Next is breathing process or respiration process takes place at normal temperature. It is very clear that whether we are in summer season, whether we are in winter season, respiration process takes place every time, so all the time in our body. The reason behind it, the human body is warm-blooded. Due to being warm-blooded animal, humans maintain their internal environment temperature. So their temperature and that external environment temperature do not affect them. Whereas the combustion process takes place at high temperature only. Whenever there is high temperature, only then fuel and oxygen combine together to produce fire. हर फ्यूल का याद रखिए, हर फ्यूल का एक इग्निशन टेम्परेचर होता है, किसी का 5, किसी फ्यूल का 500 है, किसी का 300 है. जब तक वो टेम्परेचर अटेन नहीं होगा फायर प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी. सो बर्निंग के लिए या कंबस्टन के लिए हाई टेम्परेचर होना ज़रूरी है, और ये हाई टेम्परेचर इग्निशन टेम्परेचर कहलाता है. हर फ्यूल का इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द टाइप ऑफ फ्यूल and each fuel contains its specific ignition temperature. The other difference is breathing process is controlled by enzymes. There are several enzymes that control the process of respiration at cellular level. They regulate the process of energy production as well as maintain the amount of energy produced. Whereas enzymes, what are enzymes? Enzymes are specialized structures, specialized compounds, specialized chemicals that play their role in any reaction and regulate it. So there are several enzymes are involved in the process of respiration, whereas the burning is controlled by amount and quality of fuel as well as amount of oxygen. Just remember for this point the fire triangle: oxygen, fuel and temperature. हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि अगर इन तीन एलिमेंट्स में से कोई एक भी एलिमेंट एब्सेंट होगा तो फायर प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी. सो ये तीनों इसके लिमिटिंग फैक्टर हैं या ये इसके कंट्रोलिंग फैक्टर्स हैं. फायर को ये तीन फैक्टर्स कंट्रोल करते हैं. एंड द लास्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बोथ इज एनर्जी इज रिलीज ग्रेजुअली एज ATP. एज द प्रोसेस एंड ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन, respiration process produce energy in the form of ATP, which is the energy currency inside the human body, whereas energy released as a result of combustion is heat. As you can see here in the picture, fire, whenever there is burning or combustion, heat is produced. We feel the heat in kitchen when natural gas burns. So the result, the form of energy produced as a result of combustion is heat, whereas that of produced as a result of रेस्पिरेशन इज ATP. सो ये तो वो डिफरेंस है जिनसे हमें पता चला कि ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस और बर्निंग प्रोसेस कैसे एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ हैं. यहाँ हम अपना SLO अचीव कर चुके हैं. अब हम आते हैं प्रैक्टिस की तरफ, यानी होमवर्क की तरफ. सो होमवर्क के लिए अपने टेक्स्ट बुक का पेज 18 देखिए. ये रिव्यू एक्सरसाइज है आपके सामने. इसमें से पहले देखिए कि कौन सा MCQ आपके आज के लेसन से रेलिवेंट है. आप उसे सॉल्व करेंगे. MCQ 7 देखिए. Ali wants to label the energy released from respiration. What scientific term will he use for this? अब वही अभी हमने इसका लास्ट पॉइंट यही पढ़ा था डिफरेंस कंपैरिजन का, कि रेस्पिरेशन के नतीजे में जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है उसकी एक स्पेसिफिक फॉर्म है. क्या वो हीट की फॉर्म में रिलीज होती है, क्या वो लाइट की फॉर्म में, या ATP या रेडिएशंस. इनमें से जो भी करेक्ट आंसर है आप उसका सर्कल फिल करेंगे. अब आते हैं अपने पार्ट B की तरफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्व करेंगे आप, विच इज़ to differentiate between breathing and burning process. अभी आपने ऑलमोस्ट 6 डिफरेंस पढ़े. आप उन डिफरेंसेस के थ्रू और डायग्राम के थ्रू इनमें डिफरेंस बयान करेंगे. अब हम आते हैं अपने समर पैक की तरफ. समर पैक में से देखिए पेज 12 पे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं. इनमें से क्वेश्चन 14 आप सॉल्व करेंगे, जो कि है अब राइट एनी 2 डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन बर्निंग एंड ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस. दोनों प्रोसेसेस इन डिटेल आपने पढ़े. अब आप इनको इजीली डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं.